is the latest trend. Young Jamaican sprint star Alana Reid has left the Dennis Mitchell camp with Americans Sha'Carri Richardson and T.T. Terry and is heading to Arkansas to join fellow Jamaicans Nikisha Price and Akira Nugent. And you know me gonna say it, I never liked that move by Alana Reid in the first place to be the training partner for Sha'Carri Richardson, a Jamaican going to America to join the same camp, competing in the same events, to be coached by an American coach, to beat the biggest American star. That could never work. I mean it bad and not too bad. If there are two Jamaican rivals, even being coached by a Jamaican coach to compete against each other. But in the context of the rivalry between Jamaica and the USA in the sprints, that situation was untenable. And we're happy them realize it. The experience must have been good though. Alana Reid is still young. She has enough time to train and work to beat Sha'Carri Richardson and not just to be her friend and her training partner.